It's kind of giving me like Jerry curl type vibes, which isn't a bad thing at all. Like I would compare this to, I would say, like 3C natural hair. So if you guys are wanting like an affordable, like cute, like natural hair type of wig that you can be finessing people in and people gonna be questioning if that's your real hair or not, this is definitely the wig for you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, today I will be doing a hair review from Original Queen Hair. If some of you guys do not know, I did do a wig review for them, I will say like a week or two ago, about their Brazilian straight bob wig, and now they offered to give me a kinky curly wig. And guys, I did not know. I had mixed feelings about this unit when I first got it, just because when it comes to kinky curly hair, that is work. Like, this is not wake up and go hair. But I will say I do really like this hair, and this hair can actually pass for being my natural hair. So yeah, so if you guys are interested in more of the specs on this hair and all that fun stuff, keep on watching. So like I briefly previously mentioned before, I got this hair from Original Queen Hair. They were nice enough to send me this unit for review, and here it is. So long story short, this hair is their Brazilian kinky curly lace front wig. And I got the inch 14 inches. So as you guys can see, I mean, of course it's kinky curly, so it's not going to be, you know, super long. But I mean, actually, like, this is kind of like the back of the hair, and it comes like down here. And then of course, once you get towards the front, it's a little bit more tapered, which I like because it makes it a bit more natural. Like, again, like this hair can pass for being my natural hair. Like, this hair is really cute. Usually I don't reach for kinky curly hair, but I actually might, probably like in a couple months, I actually might even buy this hair myself in a longer length, just because like the curls are really pretty. Now granted, they're not like the most defined right now, just because I've been wearing this hair all day today, and I just got done filming this makeup look, which you guys will see tomorrow, Vlogmas day 3. So I'm trying my hardest to be consistent, guys, so doing Vlogmas. But anyway, so the hair, if you were to buy this on Amazon, the hair is $90.88. Now granted, that's before tax, so it's just rounded up to like $91, $92. Now granted, for a 13 by 14, I said 13 by 14, by a 13 by 4 lace frontal wig, this actually is a real, to me, this hair is really affordable, just because of the simple fact that it's under $100. You do get a decent amount of hair. Now granted, I low-key want to try straighten it, low-key don't want to try straighten it. I don't know. If you guys want to see me straighten it, definitely let me know down in the comments if you're interested to see how this hair straightens. Now, when I first got the wig, I was actually surprised because this wig came with transparent lace. Because if some of you guys didn't watch my other review for them, the bob unit that I got was a medium brown lace. So I was a little bit nervous about this one, but this one actually came with transparent lace. So I'm not sure if each wig is different, or if like how do I explain it? Like, I don't know if like each wig is just happens to be different, or it's random whether or not you receive transparent or brown lace. I'm not exactly sure how that works, but definitely in the future I will let you guys know. Now when it comes to tangling and shedding on this unit, because the hairline was a little bit wonky, and what I mean wonky is that it was more square that I'm used to my lace fronts being, so I did have to cut actually a little bit extra, like right in here, to kind of round it out just a tad bit, because I don't want to have a circle, but it was like a square type of hairline, so I had to kind of actually like cut into the hair a bit. So that's why I believe I am getting a little bit of extra shedding. Now granted, I did only wear this hair, what's today? Today's Sunday. I wore this hair for literally like 2 days, guys. So it's not like a week review. It's not a 2-week review. Like, this is literally my second day wearing this hair. Now granted, I literally just put some LA Girl Pro concealer on the lace to try to help blend it, which I think it it worked a little bit, but I gotta go in and definitely touch up some stuff. But again, because the curls are so big and so fluffy, you kind of really just ignore the lace, so that's a good thing. And I don't have it really any special way. Like I really don't have like a defined part or anything like that. I'm kind of just wearing it in like a fro type of state, which I actually really think is cute. Like this is like a really good summer wig for me, especially because it's not super long. I did make sure to run my fingers through this hair before I even did anything, before I bleached the knots, before I washed it, before I cut the lace, anything. As I was running my hands through the hair, of course it did puff up and get really frizzy. I didn't really get a lot of shedding at all when I did that, and even when I was running my hands through it, I also wasn't getting a lot of tangling. Now well, I mean, it's like 11 o'clock at night, so I can run my hands through it. But like, of course, you're gonna get some tangling just because the hair is curly. Actually, no, this is just a little too much tangling. Hold on. I mean, the hair is kinky curly, so of course you are gonna have a lot of tangling with it depending on how you brush through the curls. So I am getting some tangles, but again, it's a kinky. And you see how big this hair just got by me brushing through it in like 2 seconds. Like look at this side compared to this side. So I mean, give or take, I mean, it's kinky curly hair by my personal standards. This isn't bad because I'm not running my fingers through this hair throughout the day because it gets fluffed up like this. Like what? This is one of those units where like once you style it, don't touch it. And that's just kinky curly in general. So don't be alarmed by like me running my hands through it and it looks a little crazy. And like the tangling looks like it's quote unquote a lot, because I feel as though any kinky curly texture you're not going to be able to run your hands through. Now if this was some straight hair or some body wave hair, that would be a different story. But for kinky styles like this, I really don't hold it to the company like, oh, this hair tangles and da. Like nah, it's kinky curly hair. You're gonna expect some tangles in there. But so that's on tangling. But on the shedding, I am getting some shedding, but again, for me to customize this unit, between me customizing the unit, bleaching the knots, actually having to cut into the hair like right up here, I am receiving some shedding. Now granted, in about a week, 2 weeks, I'll be able to give you guys like a more accurate, like, okay, like is the hair shedding because I cut the lace, or is the hair shedding just because the hair itself is shedding? But so far so good. Again, throughout the day, I don't run my hands through this hair whatsoever. Once I style it in the morning, don't touch it whatsoever. I actually might do a video later on this week about how exactly I define the curls. Now again, they're not the most defined right now because I was, you know, doing my makeup, trying to flip my hair to the back so my makeup wouldn't get on the hair and all this other mess. But so as you guys can see by the video clip, the curls look absolutely gorgeous. And honestly, I'm still trying to find like the perfect products in order to keep it that way, and I think I did. It's just I gotta kind of perfect how I'm doing my hair, because usually how I would do this hair is that I will split it, like even like hair in general that I've gotten, I would split the hair in half and then work on one section at a time. I think with this hair I'm actually gonna have to split it into 4 sections to try to define the curls. Now the curls would be defined when I split it in 2 sections in the morning, but I will notice once everything kind of dries down, my hair poofs up back like this. So, and another thing is too, it's winter time, I'm wearing a coat, so of course the ends are gonna be like really fluffy too. But again, the curls are really pretty. It's kind of giving me like Jerry curl type vibes, which isn't a bad thing at all. Like I would compare this to, I would say like 3C natural hair. So if you guys are wanting like an affordable, like cute, like natural hair type of wig that you can be finessing people in and people gonna be questioning if that's your real hair or not, this is definitely the wig for you. So as of now, I personally would recommend this unit. Now granted, I will be doing I don't know if I'm gonna do a week update or a 2-week update, but of course you guys will see that within the next couple of days to give you guys more details. Again, I've only been wearing this hair for 2 days. So again guys, like I want to emphasize, this is my 2nd day of wearing this hair. So far so good. I will definitely be giving you guys an update. I don't know if it's gonna be a week update or a 2-week update, depending on if I want to switch back to one of my other units. But of course, you know, you guys are gonna see throughout the month anyway what I'm doing with my hair. But yeah, I think that's pretty much everything. I hope I covered everything. So far so good. I would definitely give this hair as of now like an 8 out of 10, just because I am getting some extra shedding. Hopefully that extra shedding was because of me cutting into the wig a little bit, because I literally had to chop off maybe like this much of the front to like try to like round it out a little bit. So we'll see. Again, as of now, I would recommend for you guys to get this unit. I will definitely leave everything and all the information down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, definitely expect to see this hair in my next upcoming video, so you guys will kind of see like what the hair looks like in its natural state and when it's more defined and all that stuff. So yeah, hopefully you guys liked the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is doing Vlogmas, okay? But yeah, so I hope you guys have a great day or an evening or whatever time you happen to be watching this, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.